Phantasma Wallet is an advanced tool designed to simplify cryptocurrency management while maintaining top-notch security for users. Starting with its user-friendly interface, the wallet allows anyone to manage their digital assets effectively, supporting Phantasma tokens alongside other blockchain ecosystems. It ensures compatibility across devices, with desktop and mobile versions catering to every user's preference. One of the standout features of Phantasma Wallet is its multi-chain support. This functionality enables users to access and manage assets across various blockchains seamlessly, reducing the complexity typically associated with crypto transactions. Additionally, the wallet integrates staking options, empowering users to earn rewards while holding their tokens within the wallet. Staking is straightforward and suitable for both seasoned investors and beginners exploring decentralized finance. When it comes to security, Phantasma Wallet offers robust measures, including private key ownership and multi-layer encryption. These features ensure that users have full control over their digital assets without the risk of third-party interference. Alongside security, its dApp browser functionality sets it apart, providing seamless access to decentralized applications directly from the wallet interface. This integration broadens the wallet's utility, enabling users to explore and utilize blockchain-based services. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Setting up the Phantasma Wallet is intuitive. Users can download the app from official sources and proceed with account creation, ensuring their private keys are securely backed up. The wallet provides a step-by-step setup process that even first-time crypto users can navigate without difficulty. From there, users can add assets, stake tokens, and access dApps effortlessly. Phantasma Wallet stands as an essential tool for managing cryptocurrencies efficiently while embracing the future of blockchain technology. It empowers users with decentralized capabilities, making crypto management and exploration accessible to all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive reviews. And if you found this guide helpful, smash the like button to support our content.